Many extraordinary things happen by the waterhole. Sometimes dangerous. Others quite boring. When animals from many different species gather at one hole, things get interesting rather quick. From the oasis of the Sahara to the water's edge of Etosha, there's something spectacular about these endeavors. Animals from all walks of life gather to drink at a waterhole. Dependent on its vital supplement, nature unwittingly forces prey and predator to gather in these designated areas. Coincidence, or a cleverly witted plan that ensures population control. In an entirely flourished wilderness, dominance of one species could easily take a stronghold. As apex predators share watering holes with potential prey, there is really no need to travel much further. Although when water becomes scarce, even the calmest of animals get a little cranky. It is here, at the watering hole, where the most abundant and diverse gathering of animals can be viewed.